Some series to integral calculus, mind blowing, amazing. We are seeing really good traffic on some series and integral calculus. People are astonished that is it really possible to calculate sum and series through integral calculus? Yeah, and we have taken new example as arithmetic square series. Arithmetic square series of arithmetic number, and it is not 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Typically people would have seen in the book 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. What it is, I don't remember what it is, but it is readily available in the book. 1 square plus 2 square. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 is the it is arithmetic series. Arithmetic series means one number differ other number by addition, whereas geometric series is one number differ other number by multiplication. What do you mean? Okay, if I have a very x-axis, okay, okay, I have all the axes here only. Okay, if this is x-axis, then x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. At x equal to 0, I have a value. Makes sense? I have x-axis, and I have x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. When x equal to 0, there I have a value. When x equal to 1, I have a value. When x equal to 2, I have a value. In calculus terms, these values are called function over x. Understand? X equal to 0, what is the value at x equal to 0? That is called function over x. F and in bracket x bracket close, function over x, where x is 0. Function over x when x is 1. These are typically called y value. If this is x-axis, then this is y-axis. What do you mean? If I say x equal to 0 and I have a value kept here called function over x, that is the vertical. Yeah, that is the vertical. That is function over x. Okay, if it is arithmetic series, then function over x plus 1 minus function over x is constant. This is called arithmetic series. What is x? Any x. If x is 10, then function over 11 minus function over 10 is constant. Function over 8 minus function over 7. You mean when x equal to 7, I have a vertical? Yes. When x equal to 8, I have a vertical? Yes. If you subtract these two vertical, you will receive a number. Yeah, I'll receive a number. Okay. Take any x plus 1 and take any x, or take any x and x minus 1. Subtract it. Whatever you get, it will be constant for any x. This is called arithmetic series. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wherever you subtract fx minus fx minus 1 or fx plus 1 minus fx, it will come as 1, 1. This is called arithmetic series. Geometric series is fx plus 1 by fx is constant. That is geometric series. What is geometric series? Like 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. This comes under geometric series. Fx by fx minus 1 is 2. Fx plus 1 by fx is 2. So on. This is a geometric series. Whereas fx plus 1 minus fx is constant for all the x. It is arithmetic series. Very simple to calculate arithmetic series. Generally people don't use much brain to calculate the summation of arithmetic series. But it become a head scratching, head hair, scratching when it comes to square. What do you mean? Yeah, we are talking about the square of arithmetic series. And arithmetic series is not 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 5, 9, 14, 19, 24, 29, 34, 34, and so on. Gap is 5. Fx plus 1 minus fx equal to 5. Is it always 5? Yes. This is arithmetic series. Oh, I know. Arithmetic series is very easy to crack. Summation 5 plus 9 plus 14 plus 19 plus 24. This is what you want. Yes, this is what I want. S equal to 4 plus 9 plus 14 plus 19 plus 24. Okay, now S equal to inverted 24 plus 19 plus 14 plus 9 plus 4. Now add it. 2S equal to constant 28. Last is 24 and here 4. 28. It will be constant 28. 5 terms are there. 28 into 5 equal to S. Then 2S, S equal to 28 into 5 by 2. Simple. Okay, we had taken that example. Now we are taking a square of it. Square means 4 square plus 9 square plus 14 square plus 19 square plus 24 square. Now you solve it. Okay, invert it, invert it. Now first term is 4 square here, first term is 24 square. Next term is 9 square here, next term is 19 square. Now you sum it, it will not be same. 4 square plus 24 square is different than 9 square plus 19 square. So you cannot do 2s equal to this much. Then I have to use some other methodology. This is what we don't want. For any summation and series, different methodology come into the picture, and then someone lands into problem. How many? That's why people they show apathy. Apathy is a word diversion from mathematics. It is too difficult. 1,000 summation series, I would remember 1,000 summation. And summation series is part per million in mathematics. There are so many things. For everything I will remember. Okay, better you go with some other kind of science, chemistry, physics, or somewhere where 3 law of Newton and 1 law of this and 1 law of that only. That's it. Mathematics is difficult if people do not understand step by step. Anyway, we are here to solve it in a generic fashion, and now we have come with a formula called integral calculus. In integral calculus, we calculate the summation of summation series through a unique way, same way. That is called integral calculus. Okay, now in integral calculus, if I talk, then hop, I'll bring my axes and the function. Okay, consider this is x-axis. This is x-axis, and this is x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. When x equal to 1, I have function over x. It has a value, that is 4 square. When x equal to 2, I have a function over it, and that is 9 square, 14 square, 19 square, 24 square, and so on. If I touch all the top points, then it will draw a line, and that line is function over x. Anyway, we have already seen that the algebraic equation of 4, 9, 14, 19, 24 is 4x plus x minus 1, 5x minus 1, where x starts from 1. So 5x minus 1 is 4, means at when x equal to 1, then function over x is 4. When x equal to 3, then function over x is 14. In that manner, the equation for this square, where we want 4 square plus 9 square plus 14 square plus 19 square plus 24 square, it will come as 5x minus 1 whole square. It will come as 5x minus 1 whole square. Okay, so I have a formula called fx, and its formula is 5x minus 1 whole square. What I want? I want summation of all the vertical. I want summation of all. We are taking so many examples because this is a new thing and it is not available in any of the book. So we are taking in numerous example. Anyone's problem would fall in any of the example, and quickly he can solve it. So now we have x equal to 1, fx is 5x minus 1 whole square. X equal to 2, fx is 5x minus 1 whole square. In that manner, I have so many fx. Summation sigma x equal to 1 to n fx. This is what I want. Where fx, we can say fx at x equal to 1 plus fx at x equal to 2 plus fx at x equal to 3 plus fx at x equal to n, where fx is 5x minus 1 to the power whole square. I believe it is all right. If that is the case, then we will find it fx at x equal to up. I believe next part is fx is a discrete function which is sampled at x equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. We are talking about a continuous function called gx, and it is not a discrete function. It is a pure continuous function. For discrete function, integration is not possible because integration needs a smooth function so that we can calculate area underneath it. If I have a fx dx from x1 to x2 will give area underneath it, where fx itself is not continuous. We will take another function gx, and from x1 to x2, gx dx will give area underneath it. If this is gx, then x1 and x2 in between it will give area, and that is called gx dx from x1 x2. This is the area. While calculating the area of gx from x1 to x2 inadvertently, can we calculate the summation series? Because integration is something like I have an aeroplane, and that aeroplane runs on airport. I mean, what is that? That is called means airport road. Okay, so track. I forgot the actual word. Okay, runaway. So runaway. So on airport or airport runaway. Okay, track. The aeroplane runs, but aeroplane is not meant to run. Aeroplane is meant to fly. Full body and everything is meant to fly. Okay, it is different thing that while landing or taking off, aeroplane runs on the runaway. That is a different thing for very small time. Otherwise, like anyone would have seen the eagle, eagle or a kind of kite general. Eagle is not seen on the ground. I have not seen eagle. I have seen on the tree though, sitting on the tree, resting on the tree. Otherwise, I have not seen eagle jumping on the ground, but I have seen kite jumping on the ground. But if people have seen the kite, when it goes from one place to another place on ground also, it will fly. It is not a hen or chicken. Means hen or chicken or cock, they will run. They will not fly. Seldom they fly. If they are standing somewhere and if they have to go other, seldom they will fly. Otherwise, they will run. But if someone has seen even crow, little bit it runs. Crow also little bit it runs. But if someone has seen kite, even a little distance it goes while standing, while taking rest on the ground. Little distance a kite has to go, it would fly. It will not run. It will not make a one leap also. It will fly and then it will fly. Even though it is very big inside, kites are very big inside. It is dreadful. If someone sees from the very near, he would faint. They are that much dreadful, kites. So, means kites are made, legs are made only to take rest on the ground. Otherwise, they are not meant to walk. Kite is completely designed by God to fly only, and they fly to the vicinity that it will go out of the vicinity, out of the vicinity. Kites slowly they will go like this, and then it will go away from the eye. That far it goes. I believe they go in kilometers. Some 6, 7 kilometers they go high. Kites. Okay, means their legs are there, but it is not meant to run or walk. Similarly, aeroplane legs are there, but it is only to landing and take off. It is not meant to run on the road. It is full body is meant like an eagle or eagle or a kite only. They have made the, if you see the eagle or kite body structure and aeroplane, they are very similar. It is made for that. Like calculus is very good, but it is meant to calculate the area only. Calculus is not meant to calculate the summation series. That is not the calculus main job. Integral calculus main job is to calculate if there is a graph, then it will calculate area underneath it. That's it. Now it is up to someone how he uses this fundamental calculation of area to calculate his work. It is up to him. Okay, so what up to me is that if I have x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then I would say that if this is x, then I have fx. This is gx. I have fx. Okay, can I say that if this is x, what we are saying, this if I have a fx, this fx is sampled. If this is fx, then this fx is sampled at x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means sampling is happening at gap of 1, x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Gap of 1 sampling is going on. Okay, now can I consider when x equal to 1, then I have fx, that is 4 square. Now, can I take sampling of this on left hand side, or half left side and half right side, not sampling. One area strip can I take? This is x equal to 1, x minus half, x plus half. 1 is the width, and this area strip I'll take, and this will go and hit gx. Means what I'm trying to say, this area is integration x equal to 1 minus half to x equal to 1 plus half. 1 is the gap, that is the area strip that is going up and hitting gx. Minus 1 to plus, minus half to plus half. Up. 1 minus half to 1 plus half. This area, what area we are seeing, this area will be exactly same as the height of fx at x equal to 1. Where this concept came from, we have described in the we have already described in the previous session. In previous session we said it is tempting, right? If I have x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, n, then from x equal to 1 to 2, there is nothing here. If I take one area strip like this and it goes gx, then it is x equal to 1 to 2 gx dx. This area strip value, can it be same as left hand side fx? If it is like that, then we have so many fx vertical. For each fx, right hand side area of gx will be exactly same. What do you mean? If there are n verticals are there, there is n number of contiguous, but n number of contiguous area, but non-overlapping. Means for one vertical right hand side one area is there. Then for another vertical right hand side one area is there. Last vertical is at x equal to n, then we have last area from n to n plus 1, because gap has to be 1. That we have calculated. Now when I know that I am taking area of width 1, can I take area at x equal to 1 of width 1, but half left side, half right side, width must be 1. In that manner, I can say at any x, if I say x equal to 1, then fx at x equal to 1, that is 4 square, or 5x minus 1 whole square. 4 square equal to 4 square equal to, and then limit 1 minus half to 1 plus half gx dx. That area in gx will be same as fx at x equal to 1. Means 4 square equal to half to 1 and half gx dx. Means if I take in a generic manner at any x equal to x, I have fx, that is same as x minus half to x plus half area, and that is going hitting gx. If I'm able to get gx equation in that manner, then I have a gx function, and then gx function have so many sub area. One area is around x equal to 1, another area is around x equal to 2. If people are watching it, x equal to 1, I have half here and half here. When x equal to 2, then half here and half here. More or less we are covering everything. When x equal to 3, then up to 2 and half we have already calculated area. 3 minus half to 3 plus half. When x equal to 4, then 4 minus half, and more or less all area we are touching now. All area. And each area is equal to, in between, whatever the fx is. Means number of verticals we have to add, same number of sub areas are there, and all are contiguous but non-overlapping. There is no gap anywhere. Okay, means I am trying to say fx equal to limit x minus half to x plus half gx dx. If I am able to find gx here, then I can go for gx begin to end area summation, and that will be same as summation of all the vertical, because each sub area is represent one vertical. Makes sense? This way we can use integral calculus to calculate the summation. Can anyone tell me what is 4 square plus 9 square plus 13 square plus 9, sorry, 14 square plus 19 square plus 24 square up to n square? Can n terms are there? Can someone tell me? It is very difficult. I am 100% sure. It is very difficult. But here, through successive approximation integration approach, it is just a cakewalk. It is that simple. We'll try now. Fx at x equal to x is 5x minus 1 whole square. 25x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to x minus half to x plus half gx dx. Okay, gx dx. If I say fx equal to gx dx, then gx equal to dfx by dx. Fx is x 5x minus 1 whole square. Then by dx will come in terms of x of order 1. So we'll try with only x. X dx, x square by 2. X square by 2 limit x minus half to x plus half. X plus half whole square minus x minus half whole square by 2. X square will go away. This side we have x, and this side again we have x. This side we have 1, this side again we have minus 1, that is also go away. X plus x, 2x by 2, x will come into the picture. Only x will come into the picture. If I had taken x, answer is x. But we want 25x square minus 10x plus 1. Means we want in x square. We started with x, we got x. We'll start with 25x square. We'll start now. 25x. This is successive approximation. We know the target, and we will change the gx in a manner that we will reach the target, where gx dx integration x minus half to x plus half will give to 25x square minus 10x plus 1. We'll start gx as 25x square. Integration will be 25 by 3 x to the power 3. Limit is x minus half to x plus half. It will come as x plus half to the power 3 minus x minus half to the power 3. This side we know what will come, x to the power 3 plus 3 by 2 x square plus 3 by 4 x plus 1 by 8 minus, and that side will come x to the power 3 minus 3 by 2 x square plus 3 by 4 x minus 1. If minus is waiting outside, then it will become minus x to the power 3. They will cancel each other. Next will come at plus 3 by 2 x square. Here also plus 3 by 2 x square is waiting. Means it will become 3x square. Next is minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4x. Here plus 3 by 4x is waiting. They will cut each other. Next is plus 1. Plus 1 is waiting. Sorry, next is plus 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is waiting. Next will become 3x square plus 1 by 4. Outside waiting is 25 by 3. 25 by 3. 25 by 3 in bracket 3x square plus 1 by 4. That will come as 25x square. 25x square plus 25 by 4. 25x square plus 25 by 4. Okay, 25x square is wanted one, knowingly, unknowingly. Then minus 10x is required. Here we are getting 25 by 4. That is not what we want. 25 I'm sorry. 1 by 4 and outside 24 by 3 is waiting. That will come as 25 by 4 by 25 by 12. 25 by 12 anyway. Minus 10x is missing. So I have to add 10x to get the result. So we will start again 25x square plus 10 plus minus 10x. That's it. We'll try again. 25x square will become 25 by 3 x to the power 3. X to the power 3 limit x minus half to x plus half. X plus half would become 3x square plus 1 by 4. 25 by 3 is outside. It will become 25x square plus 25 by 12. Now we have taken 10x square by 2. X square limit is x plus half whole square minus x minus a half whole square. That will become as x square plus x plus 1 by 4. That will become x square minus x plus 1 by 4. X square will go away. X will become 2x, and 1 by 4, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, they will cut each other. Only 2x would remain. We have taken 10 by 2 outside is waiting, 2 gone, 10x. It is minus 10x, this is what we want. So we got now 25x square minus 10x, perfect. Only thing is plus 25 by 12 is there, this side. And that side, it should be 1. This side we have 25 by 12, whereas it should be actually 1. To have the 1 now, then what we have to do? Okay, now we will add by 1 minus 25 by 12. If I do so, then it will work. What is 1 minus 25 by 12? That will come as 12 minus 13 by 12. 25 by 12 minus 13 by 12 will come as 1. So at the end we will say minus 13 by 12. Now gx is 25x square minus 10 minus 13 by 12. We'll try again. 25x square will become 25 by 3 x to the power 3, x minus half to x plus half. That will come net, it will come as 25x square, 25x square plus 25 by 12. This is what we have seen already. Minus 10x will become minus 10 by 2 x square, x minus half to x plus half would become 2x. Net it will become minus 10x. 25x square plus 25 by 12 minus 10x. Now we are taking at the end 13 by 12 minus 13 by 12. Minus 13 by 12 would become now minus 13 by 12 x. Integration and limit is x minus half to x plus half. That would become 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 minus 13 by 12. 25 by 12 minus 13 by 12 will become 1. Perfectly alright. We have got the gx. Now if I have a gx function as 25x square minus 10x minus 13 by 12, then for each sub-region minus half to 1.5, this area will be exactly same as x equal to 1, that is 4 square. Someone can try. Will it really become 4 square? Anyone would ask, try. Limit 1 by 2 to 3 by 2 and 25x square minus 10x plus 25x square minus 10x minus 13 by 12. Someone can try. 25x square will become 25 by 3 x to the power 3. X to the power 3 limit is half to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 to the power 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power 3. That will become 27 minus 1 by 8. That will become 28. 28 by 8. 26 by 8. So net it will become 25 into 26 by 8 into 3, 24. 25 into 26 by 24. This is what it is. Minus 10x. X integration will be x square by 2. Okay. X square is 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. That is 9 by 4 minus 1 by 4. That will become 8 by 4. That will become 2. 2 gone. It becomes minus 10. Only minus 10. Alright. So this side we have 25 into 26. 25 into 20. I forgot it. 25 into 26 by 24. I think so. Minus 10. And then minus 13 by 12. X. 3 by 2 minus half. That is 1. So that will become minus 13 by 12. Now we have 25 into 26 by 12 by 24. By 24. This is what I remember. By 24. That side we have minus 13 by 12, 26 by 24. So 25 into 26 minus 26 by 24. Makes sense? 26 will come out, 25 minus 1, that will come as 24. 24, 24 gone. It comes as 26 minus 10, 16. Perfect. See, 4 square is indeed it is 16 only. It works. Anyway, what about, anyway, if someone would say, you mean next is 9 square, if I take limit where x is 2, 2 minus half to 2 plus half, yeah, 3 by 2 to 5 by 2. If I take limit and then 25x square minus 10x minus 13 by 2, if I do integration and set limit 3 by 2 to 5 by 2, it will come 81. Yeah, it will come 81. Anyone can try. Anyway, this is what the limit is. Okay, then what is the final summation? Final summation is nothing but summation of all the sub area, because one sub area belongs to one vertical in fx. So limit will start from 1 minus half, 1 and a half, and it will go up till n plus half, because last sub area is n minus half to n plus half. Limit 1 by half to n plus 1 by 2 gx dx will give the full summation of the series. Can someone believe on? We have taken very difficult example. It's not very simple. Arithmetic series square, any arithmetic series. Okay, we will try now. What is there in trying now? So 25x square will become 25 by 3 x to the power 3. 1 by 2 to n plus 1 by 2. Where n plus 1 by 2 to the power 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power 3 in bracket outside 25 by 3 is waiting. If I solve it, then it will become n to the power 3 plus 3 by 2 n square plus 3 by 4 n, and next is gone. Next is gone. Okay. Now we have 10x, 10 by 2 x square. X square is n plus half whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. That is n square plus n. Outside minus 10 by 2 is waiting. Last is minus 13 by 2. Integration is minus 13 by 12. Integration is minus 13 by 12 into x, n plus 2 minus half, n. So net result is 25 by 3 in bracket n to the power 3 plus 3 by 2 n square plus 3 by 4 n bracket close minus 10 by 2 in bracket n square plus n square plus n minus 13 by 12 n. Okay, if someone takes n as 2, then it will come as 4 square plus 9 square. That will come as 81 plus 16. It will come exactly 97. Someone can try. If someone takes n equal to 3, then it will be 4 square plus 19 square plus 4 square plus 9 square plus 14 square. Someone can try. Okay, I don't have that much caliber to try, because if n equal to 2 I am taking, then it will be like n to the power 3. Okay, I can try, right? N equal to 2. Okay, it is coming as n to the power 3. That is 8. 3 by 2 n square. Then it will come as 3 by 2, 4. That is 3 into 2, 6. 6. So 2 to the power of n, 3 by 2 n square, 4. Yeah, 2, 6. First is 8 and next is 6, 14. 3 by 4 n. N is 2, then it will come as 3 by 2. 14 plus 3 by 2. This is what I think so. So we have 25 by 3 into 14 plus 3 by 2. 14 plus 3 by 2. I would rather say 15 and half. 15 and half. This will come as 15 and half. We have 25 by 3 into 15 and half. That will come as, I believe, 31 by 2. 31 by 2. So 25 into 31 by 6. This is what it will come. Next one can try minus 10x. Minus 10 by 2 x square. X square was that there n square plus n. This is what I remember. N square plus n. 4 square plus 2 square plus 2. 4 to 6. 10 by 2 into 6. minus 30, minus 30. Last is minus 13 by 12, and then it was n, I remember. 13 by 12 into 2 will be minus 13 by 6. Someone can solve it. 25 into 31 by 6. This is what I remember. 25 into 31 by 6. Last term is I remember 13 into 2, 26. 26 by 12, 13 by 12 into 2, 13 by 6. This side we have 25 into 31 by 6. There it is 13 by 6. Okay, someone can try. 25 into 31 minus 13 by 6. How much it will come? And then minus 30. Minus 30. So someone can try. 25 into 31, how much it will come? 25 into 31. 31 into, hope 25, we will make 31 up. 31 by 25, 25 into 1 is 5. 25 2 is remaining. And then 25 into 3, 75, and 2, 77, I think. 775 it will come. 31 into 25, 5, 2, 775. 775 minus 13, how it will come? 762, I think so. 762 by 6. Will it really come? 762. 762 by 6. 1 and then 2, then 4, 7. 1 to 7. Something like that. 1 to 7. I think so. 762 by 6. 1 and then 16, then 2 times, then 4, 2, 7 times. 7 times. So it will come as 127. It will come as 127. 127, I think so. 127 minus 37. Minus 30. 97. Perfect. 97. That is 4 square plus 9 square is indeed 97 only. Amazing, mind blowing. Award winning. Can someone believe on this? That we have found that so quickly the summation series of arithmetic 4 square, 9 square, 13 square, 19 square, 24 square, anything that will come as 25 by 3 in bracket n to the power 3 plus 3 by 2 n square plus 3 by 4 n bracket close minus 10 by 2 and in bracket n square plus n plus minus 13 by 12 n. Okay, we will take third measure also, left hand side area. This is amazing, mind blowing, head breaking in the wall. Can someone believe on this? So quickly we got it. Otherwise, someone will really sweat to get this summation series. Any summation series we are solving in quick without writing also. This is the power of calculus. This is power of successive approximation. Please don't mind supporting us. +91 is the India country code. 9483160610 is the telephone number. 9483160610 is the telephone. 610 is the telephone number. +91 is the India country code.